Alright guys, it is Teen Random, and tonight, I'm helping my dad out, working on a Fox body Mustang 5.0. So far, we've gotten all the exhaust pipes out. Gotta get a knife. Alright. It is tail lights on it. I need to take this other exhaust pipe out. Alright, I got this exhaust pipe out. Let's put this over here. Okay, get that off from there. Alright, let's see, what were you working on last, Ed? Gotta get, let me see if I can zoom in. That bolt right there. Gotta get that out. I think that will be the last bolt for the exhaust manifold. Okay, and alright guys, I got the other exhaust manifold out. My dad. Let's set this over here with the other one. Let's flip these out. In the process of doing that, I managed to rip out the dipstick by accident, so I gotta put that back in. Alright guys, I couldn't find out where the dipstick went, so now I gotta pull the radiator. I gotta clean off all of these, and then pull this radiator. So yeah, let's get to that. Alright, now that it's cleaned off, I gotta undo this, unplug these, undo this right here, unbolt this and this, and then pull it. Then I'll have to see what to pull next.